You there.
Huh?
I'm parched. Why don't you make me some tea?
Well, all right. As you wish, Master William. Is this all right?
No, it's not. Of searing hot.
You can't.
Come. We need to finish what we've started, quickly. In the wake of it all, we want the thought of foul play to be far from any onlookers' minds. If we make this look like a tragic accident, we can prevent an investigation. This is the blueprint of what you'd call a perfect crime. One surefire way to dispose of evidence is to burn your crime scene to ash. Normally, it would be quite the challenge to burn down an entire manor of this size. We'll do it by causing a major gas leak. Gas